Guys, had to get a new tires. Got some of these Wrangler Goodyears. Um, over here too, all four are brand new tires. So now I'm out about 400, and now I'm going to go buy a GoPro 8. I really wanted to get the GoPro 7, but might as well get the new one, right? $47 more. Okay guys, here we are at Walmart. I'm going to go in there and come out with a GoPro 8. What do you guys think is better, GoPro 8 or GoPro 7? GoPro 7's about $47 cheaper. The GoPro 8 is, I believe, $347 here right now at Walmart. So we'll go see what happens here. Okay, guys, here's Walmart. Ended up getting locked out, so I had to find a way to get myself back in. And we got the GoPro right there. We're gonna show you all that once I get home. What's up, guys? Got the GoPro Hero 8 Black. I know there's issues with this, and I also picked up 2 spare batteries. Supposedly they're not interchangeable because of the hypertension too. Slow. I mean, there's no shaking. The shaking is pretty much to a halt here with the hypertension 2.0. It's just, she's a little camera shy. Hey, get it. Here you go, get it. Come on. Come on, woo woo. Guys. Whoa, get it. Hey, what you doing? Oh! Oh, you silly, yeah. Yeah, you silly, yeah. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, 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 oh. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Alright, guys, let's open this. She's ready for bed. Alright. Oh, what's this? Try it free at GoPro. Oh, shoot, we got secret software, guys. I have to edit that part. Alright, guys, let's get in here. There's GoPro. Alright, come on, let's get to the good stuff. Wow, look how thick this book is here. Plop, plop. Yeah, what do we got in here, guys? Come on. See, there's the battery. Got a battery. That's why I bought 2 more, guys. We got the plug. I got a dozen of those, and this thing. Wait, what is this? Slide into. It's kind of weird. That's it. Nothing else. No light. Nothing. I'm gonna have to order the light. Come on. No. Woo woo. She's playing, you know. That's the GoPro 8. There's the back of it. It's really small, man. This thing is tiny. I see this thing in some people's hands, man. It looks big, but look at this, guys. Look how tiny this is. Oh, it's gone. Where's the GoPro? It's gone on my big hands. Oh, gone. You know what I mean? Alright. So basically, we gotta undo this. Or slide this. I'll figure it out. Hold on, guys. Hold on. And you don't bite me. Don't bite me, okay? Don't bite me. Oh, too much. Oh, oh, come on. Come on. Come on, woo-woo. Woo-woo. Ow, 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 ow. Oh. She's trying to bite. Ow, ow, ow. Oh. Okay, let go. Let go. Come on, boo-boo. Let go. Ooh, boo-boo. watch the GoPro. Watch the GoPro. Not playing. Right, puppy? Not playing. Let's get this thing apart. Gotta take this off. Apparently, yank that out. Somehow we gotta declip from this case that you can keep it in. Basically, when you're not using it. Jeez, come on, GoPro. What is this? They could have put a couple more things inside, you know, for that price, but alright, hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I know it's getting a little dark in here. I just want to show you guys how to do this, and I'm going to try to show you that. Lift this up, and you got to squeeze these two and push. This here will come out like that, okay? You got to lift this plastic up. See that plastic right there? It says GoPro. Lift it and then squeeze these 2 points, and it'll slide right out on you. Nice and easy. Okay, and you can save this for your base. When you're not using your GoPro, you can use that and cover it with this case.